Hello, welcome to Snowmax Performance. Hold on, I don't know where I'm looking. The camera's right here. I'm gonna flip it this way. Here we go. No, I go this way. Take two. Hello, welcome to Snowmax Performance. I'm Erica, and I'm gonna take you scrapping with me today. Here's a little snippet of what I'm bringing in. So I went with my husband yesterday and we picked up some scrap. We also took some scrap from our house. I'll be bringing this in, and we have some cats, the meow meows. I'm taking the old reliable Cummins, and it's about 90 degrees out today. I don't think it has AC, which I'm fine with. I'm used to that stuff, but we'll see if I can survive this trip on my own for the first time scrapping. We'll see if I can do it. I think I have faith in myself. Also, one thing I am going to say, Dodge, you messed up. So here's the cup holders, and like I really love Red Bull, so like whenever I put a Red Bull in here, it just goes all over, and you can tell from the previous owner that has happened plenty of times. So I actually put my Red Bull in my Yeti today, and I think it's gonna stay. So here we go. We're just gonna start her up, do a little cold start for you guys. Hold on. Come on, phone. There we go. Hello. We'll do a little cold start. I think I have everything. All I need is my ID. Let's see how much money we're gonna make today. I can't wait. I'm definitely gonna roll down the windows, because holy smokes. Ow. Started right up. Seatbelts, remember your seatbelts. And we're off. Oh, it's falling. Please work. Please stay up. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna adjust the seat first because I cannot touch the wheel or the pedal. Come on. There we go. Alright. We're on our way to NRI. I'm dressed in the part, but we're just gonna do a little quick pull over here, and I guess I'm just gonna have to. There it is. What the heck? No, I'm falling. I can't even lock it. Just stay down. I think it's gonna stay. I think we're good. All right. $7,700. We'll see how much weight we shed. 7,040, so that was about 700 pounds, right? Woo! So that first one wasn't so good. We only made $52.80. I'm on my way to go drop off these cats now. Hopefully we get a little more money. But Grant's guess last night was like $110. My guess was $130 for that load, but $50, it's money. So I'll keep you guys updated. Still works, but dang it. Flap, happy flap. Look at that, me to you. Alright, I made it to the second scrapping place. I think someone's gonna come out to me. We'll see how much we get. So, chick told me that I need titles for these catalytic converters. She was all like disappointed, and I was like, what the heck? So, oh, people. I wish I could have recorded it. It was funny. How are you supposed to get, like, what? How are you supposed to title catalytic converters? Oh. She just said, make sure when you come in next time to have written consent that it's from a vehicle. So they don't get in trouble. I don't know. I was like, okay, well, they're from cars. I don't know. That was just weird. But I made $1,400, so that's cool. Oh, done scrapping for today. My window's stuck down. Alright, so as I got back, my phone went into overheating mode, so I couldn't end my video. I had to cool it down. But we made it back safe. Everything's good. Got some money in our pocket. We're good. We're doing good. So thank you guys for joining along on my little trip today. Sorry we didn't post a video yesterday. We've been really busy in the barn. We found out that my watercross sled needs a new engine. So we're currently trying to figure out what to do there. There was thoughts on putting an axes in it, and then we did get 600 from a buddy, so we might 600 swap it. So you might see videos of that being done, but for sure you'll see videos of the Summit getting done, because the Summit just got a new engine too. So yeah. Alright, well, thank you guys. We will see you next week. One more thing before I end the video. I did not put the YZ125 on the back burner. The pipe, the fatty pipe that goes to the engine, does not fit. Which means I gotta buy another pipe. I have two already, but I'm pretty sure it's a 98 pipe that fits on it. Because it's a 98 bottom end with the 2000 top end. So that will be done. We're just focusing on watercross right now at the moment. So all right, we'll see you later.